Yeah, it's a little cold.
What are you wearing?
What am I wearing? Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today's a little bit of a vlog. I'm super excited. It was my birthday last week. If you haven't wished me a happy birthday, go down below and wish me a happy birthday, please. Thanks. I'm going to Virginia Dominion Raceway Park or something like that. I don't know exactly what it's called. My friends got me a birthday present and it's to drive a Lamborghini. Like, just to drive a Lamborghini. Let that sink in for a second. I'm talking to myself. Let it sink in. I'm gonna drive a Lamborghini. It's very exciting. I don't know if you understand that. You can't know what that just. It's exciting. I'm on my way to pick up my friend Oscar, and we're gonna go together. He's not gonna ride in a Lamborghini. I'm gonna ride in a So the event starts at 9:30 and I'll be there 9:25. Alright, I just got here. I think I'm on time. It's currently 9:27, so I'm good by 3 minutes. It's good enough. Let's go.
Bro.
Tell me something.
God. Huh?
Tell me something about it.
Tell you something? I'm at a loss of words. This car is cool. Dude, it's insane. It's insane. When you're on the straight,
We're still at the track, and I can't believe it, but I just drove a Lambo, and no GoPros allowed, or cameras, obviously, because the cars are going at very high speeds, and apparently someone's GoPro flipped off and some shit happened, so no cameras allowed. And they have footage for you, but it's like 60 bucks and it's not really worth it, because I don't know, I didn't think it was worth it. But I'm gonna take some pictures quickly and then I think we'll be off. Alright, that'll be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was just a short little vlog of what I was doing today. It was about cars and driving a race car, so I thought I'd film it. But thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to press the like button. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider subscribing. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to start working on the Z again, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you in another video. Peace.